actually really like accents.
This is probably my favourite thing to ever do. I could do this all day.
Well, I like a quiz.
Yeah, you keep your score.
It's fun.
So up north, like where miners are.
Okay.
I love the way Northern Irish people speak.
And what gives it away? That there's like a...
I've been watching a lot of Dairy Girls recently, and that really reminds me of it.
I love it. Hi, welcome to Easy English. Today, I want to know if Brits can guess the 12 accents of the British Isles. If you want to play along too, then why don't you quickly subscribe and like this video below. Let's go.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. So she was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower. Who had been working daily at an old zoo in a
It was
deserted...
going to be Dublin.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. So she was very happy to start a new job.
Yes, wow, you're really good at this.
Practice in North Square.
That's an Irish
near the
accent.
Duke Street.
You're going Republic of Ireland.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Southern Ireland, is it?
Yeah.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory.
Okay, I would say that's...
West Country.
West.
Yeah, west.
Southwest.
Southwest.
Bang on.
In a deserted district of the territory.
That's West Country.
Absolutely.
I would say it was West Country
well
too, yeah.
done.
That's West Country. Cornish.
Very good.
Maybe?
It's not
Or is it
so
Bristol?
far, but it's Bristol, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
That area was much nearer for her and more to her liking. Even so, on her first morning, she felt stressed.
Not too
She
far.
ate a bowl of porridge, checked herself in the mirror, and washed her face in a hurry. Then she put on a plain yellow dress and a fleece jacket, picked up a kit and headed for work. Even so, on her first
Midlands.
morning, she felt stressed.
Yeah.
Bang on. That was really good. You got that straight away.
Checked herself in the mirror and washed her face in a hurry.
Well done.
I could honestly, this is probably my favourite thing to ever do. I could do this all day.
Birmingham, but very slight.
Yeah.
So like West Midlands.
You're on it. It's
Yeah.
absolutely West Midlands. Well done.
Such a good team member,
You're on a
isn't
roll.
she?
I actually really like accents.
Well, here's a story for you. So she was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower.
I would say it's the sort of Midlands,
Birmingham.
Is it? Yeah, that sort of Midlands area, I would say.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been...
Yeah?
Liverpool.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who...
Wow. Smashing it.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been
Liverpool.
working daily at an old zoo.
Wow. Here we go. I've got the pros.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. She was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower.
So up north, like where miners are,
Okay.
like Happy Valley, sort of.
Any county you're thinking of when you say up
The
north?
Midlands. No.
That's Derby.
I think that's Lancashire.
You think it's Lancashire?
I do.
There was almost a lift at the end of it that makes it Cumbrian, but I'd go with Lancashire as well.
Yeah?
Go on, what was
Yorkshire.
it?
Yeah.
Always get that wrong.
Yeah.
At an old zoo
somewhere.
in a deserted district of the territory. A
Yorkshire.
new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower.
Very good, yeah.
Street Tower.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. Well, here's a story for you.
Island.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse.
I'm just copying
Echo.
Can we go distinguish which island it is?
The island of Ireland. Southern Ireland. Republic of Ireland.
Any other takers?
Northern Ireland.
Who had been working daily
Northern
at
Ireland.
Okay, that's Northern Ireland.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary
that's
nurse
Northern Irish.
who had been working daily at
Good.
an old
Wow.
Working daily. I love the way Northern Irish people speak.
And what gives it away? That there's like a...
I've been watching a lot of Dairy Girls recently, and that really reminds me of Dairy Girls.
I love it.
There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end. People look, but no one ever finds. When a man looks for something beyond his reach, his friends say he's looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow.
North.
Very slight, Manchester.
You're close.
Or Scousey.
Oh, that's really difficult, that one.
It's the beginning of the legend bit. I find that's when I was doing it.
It's not a Welsh accent, is it?
Yeah.
It's not Welsh, but it is a bit Welsh.
Is it a bit Welsh? Well,
I don't
between
know.
that part of the country, then
Yes.
not in Wales.
Please go for Welsh.
Gold at the end of the rainbow.
It is Welsh.
Yeah.
Wow.
There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end.
Yeah.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. So she was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the Duke Street Tower.
Well, that's
Kent,
somewhere
innit? I'd say around Kent or around there.
Near the Duke Street
either
Tower.
Essex or Kent. Kent or Essex. It's like estuary.
That sort of London, Essex.
Essex.
London-y Essex.
Essex, near Essex.
Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted
London.
district of the territory.
London.
Wow. How'd you get that so quick?
Just from the twang.
A deserted
London.
district of the territory.
Yeah.
So she was
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who'd been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory.
Yeah.
So she was very happy to start a new job at a superb private practice in North Square near the North Street Tower.
Like home counties.
Yeah.
Well, that's south of England somewhere, but I couldn't say more than that.
Don't know, maybe Kent?
Well, I would say southern.
Yeah.
Sussex accent.
Absolutely. You were bang on. It's southeast.
Well, here's a story for you. Sarah Perry was a veterinary nurse who had been working daily at an old zoo in a deserted district of the territory. Sarah Perry
Scottish.
was a veterinary
Bang
nurse.
on.
Well, I'd like to say Edinburgh, actually.
I would have said Perthshire.
Would you say Perthshire?
Who was
You're going
right?
really specific. Oh God. Okay. If you would be less specific, where would you say?
Sarah Perry was a veterinary
Scottish.
nurse who had been working.
You knew straight away.
Here's a story. It's like that rolling accent. I don't know.
Story.
Here's a story for you.
That area is much nearer for her and more to her liking. Even so, on her first morning, she felt stressed. She ate a bowl of porridge, checked herself in the mirror, washed her face in a hurry, then she put on a plum yellow dress and a
Oh God, I
fleece
can't think what it
jacket.
is, but it's quite.
Oh.
Where did you first think? Your instinct was
I
take
thought
there.
south, but then I heard like a rounded.
Tough air.
Oh, part of me was thinking like London, like
Okay.
Essex, and then but it had
like a twang.
Well, that's difficult, I must say, but I would say more the east side of
I
the
would
country,
say more the
really.
east.
That's Suffolk or Norfolk?
Wow. Yeah,
I'm from Suffolk. Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
really? Ah, that gives it away then.
That sound like my neighbours.
These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its two ends apparently beyond the horizon. There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end. People look, but no one ever finds it. These take the shape of a long round arch with its path high above and its
Newcastle.
two ends apparently. There is, according to legend, a boiling pot of gold at one end.
Oh,
People look,
Newcastle.
but no one
Yeah,
ever
what gave it
finds it.
away?
Pot of gourd. I'd wasted pot of gourd. Yeah.
Newcastle. Is it
Oh,
Newcastle?
dear.
Yeah.
Newcastle?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it Northumbrian?
Well, or northeast. Yes, that part of the
Yeah.
northeast of England. Yeah.
Bang on northeast.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No one ever finds it.
Wee man.
These take the
PJ and Duncan from there.
Manchester?
No, Nottingham. No. Oh my God, Alan Shearer played for them.
Baker Grove.
Yeah. But where's that? It's a.
I think you're going to get it. I can feel it.
I am.
It's
Come on, Anne. Black and white.
Yeah.
Football shirt.
Yeah.
Newcastle. Yeah, that's the one. Yes.
Absolutely. Well done. That was good. That was on the tip of your tongue. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know how many out of 12 you got correct. And if you're enjoying content like this, then why don't you become a member of Easy English? And in return, we'll send you learning goodies to help you improve your English with the link up here. And as always, we'll see you next week. Ta-ra!
When people try and do a Suffolk accent, they do a West Country accent.
Yeah.
But that's how they talk there. They go up a bit more at the end of things. So.
Wow, well done. I mean,
thank you.
You probably should have got that one, I suppose, thinking about it.
I tell you, I'd have a lot of people back home who'd be angry if I didn't.